Hello viewers, welcome all of you in Smart Home Interior Expert Srinagar YouTube channel. In our today's video, we are going to showing you how to install S carousel unit or flying disc for your blind corner kitchen cabinets. If you are not subscribed Smart Home Interior Experts YouTube yet, then go for this and press the bell icon and get a notification of all new useful video of your interior solution. So let me start how to install S carousel flying disc in blind kitchen corner cabinets. With easy method in just minutes, S-shaped corner solution is available with multiple parts and attachments. Manage these parts as shown in this video. Join toe disc support arms with this pole, including with locking kit. Now you have the blind kitchen corner cabinet with the dimensions of 1050mm in width, 700mm in height and 550mm in depth. Install the arm attachment pole in the cabinet. Leave 475mm space by the door opening side, and screwed upper and bottom pole holder plates with the help of driving drill or screwdriver. Now you have two more disc cabinet arm holders. Fit first one above the 317mm height, by the door opening side cabinet. Use SS star screws for best results. And fit the arm base with the cabinet. Then adjust second cabinet disc holding arm by the height of 90mm with the same method of above arm. You are watching Smart Home Interior Experts YouTube video of S carousel unit installation. Now adjust the both sided arms on same height against each other, and fit the locking kit with help of L keys option. Your corner solution base is fitted perfectly. Now it is the time to fit the flying disc out of the bases. You done it perfectly and professionally. Your blind kitchen corner is ready to serve you. Hope this video is helpful for you. For more videos of regarding to your interior solutions, subscribe us on YouTube, like on Facebook, and follow on Twitter. For feedback and businesses inquiry, visit our website shown on screen. For further details may please visit us in Srinagar, Kashmir. The road and route map direction available in our website. Thank you. Smart Home Interior Experts. We design your dreams.